Good morning everyone, my name is Shivanand. Today, me along with my group members are going to give a presentation on a topic solar battery controller and monitoring system through wireless technology. But before starting the presentation, I would like to thank Mr. Rafiq Ahmed sir, Head of Department Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and our project guide Mr. Shivanand sir for guiding and helping us throughout the completion of this project. Nowadays, with the increasing demand of energy and depletion of non-renewable resources, we are moving towards environmental friendly renewable resources like solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy. But these energies are not being utilized efficiently due to some technological faults. So in this project, we have made solar battery controller and monitoring system through which we can monitor the health of our battery, and at the same time we can monitor the status of a battery remotely through wireless system. The main purpose of this project is to prevent the battery from overcharging and over discharging, and at the same time prevent the backflow of current during night. Now let's talk about some of the technologies that we have used in this model. First, Arduino. Arduino is an open source, easy to use hardware and software. This technology is used in robotics and automation. The main advantage of Arduino is that it is cheap and is an open source software and hardware. Second, wireless technology. Wireless technology is used in the system to monitor the health of our battery remotely through our mobile phones using the Bluetooth technology. Third, ACS 712 is used for current and voltage sensing. Fourth, USART. USART stands for Universal Synchronous Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. It acts as an interface between the computer and the serial devices such as modems. Now the working of this project will be explained by my group member Shubha. Thank you.
Good morning to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Shivanand, student of 4th year of Electrical Department of PVT and ITM. Today I present my views on my project topic solar battery controlling and monitoring through wireless system. Before initiating my topic, I would like to all of us are safe in this COVID-19 situation. As my friend Abhinav covered some part of our project. Now I will discuss the component of controller. First part is the solar panel. It also known as a photovoltaic model, and it uses a light energy from sun to generate electricity. Second part is a battery. Solar battery is converting DC energy produced by our solar panel and storing it as a AC power. Third is a DC-DC converter. It is an electronic device that converts a source of direct current from one voltage level to another. Fourth is a current sensing chip. It also known as a ACS 712, and it measures the current in the device. Fifth is a filter. It removes the unwanted signal. And sixth is the Bluetooth. It connects with the Arduino and also mobile to show your how much percent your battery charge or discharge on your screen. And this is the circuit diagram of our project. And now I will discuss the working of our project. During leakaging, we connect the sensor in series with the panel, then it will show the how much percent battery are charged on your mobile. And during discharging, we calculate the input of the load with output of the battery. Then it calculates the consumption of the power. Then it will show how much percent battery are discharged on your mobile. And during leakaging, we remove the load and then connect the sensor in series with the panel. Then it will show the how much percent your battery leakaging. And now my friend Shubodh will cover the remaining part.
Good morning, my dear friends and respected teachers. I am Subodh Verma from BBD and IDM Electrical Branch 4th year. I am here for my project topic solar battery controller and monitoring through wireless network. As you all know that my friend Abhinav Srivastava and Yadav Subham Sanjay explain about that my project topic. They explain working and some programming of my project topic. So I conclude some other things of as features of battery controller. Features of battery controller prevents battery from overcharging and over discharging. As we set a minimum value of discharging and a maximum value of overcharging. If value of greater than overcharging, then battery controller indicates the battery is overcharged. If set value of below the discharging, so battery controller indicates the battery status. Battery controller reduces system maintenance. Battery controller reduces system maintenance because of battery is not overcharged, it's not discharged, so system maintenance is already low. It automatically indicates the battery status. It indicates the battery status because battery controller indicates battery status by percentage. It's charging or discharging. It's all and both. Battery controller maintains reliability is so high of my battery because of battery controller reliability of high of battery because it's not overcharging or not over discharging. So battery controller is more useful for battery and battery controller charging. If the voltage is too high, the plates might get sulfated and the available battery capacity is reduced. So battery controller prevents the voltage is too high. If the voltage is too high, then it's cut out the battery from the solar panel. So if voltage is too high, then battery is not charged at this time. If battery is charged at that time, so battery might get battery's lifespan is reduces. So it prevents from voltage is too high, so battery lifespan is greater. Battery controller works regular overcharging, however reduces the battery lifespan since the cause of lost electrolyte. Regular overcharging, if the regular overcharging of battery is regularly, so if we conclude the battery controller, so regular overcharging is not possible because of relay. If overcharging is present, then use of relay we cut out the part of overcharging. And at the night battery controller prevents the battery from flow back of current. Flow back of current means at night battery reduces his storage flow back of current to solar panel. So there are some advantages of battery controller, and also I would like to thank my mentor Shivanand Shakya, and also I would like to thank my teammates Abhinav Srivastava and Yadav Subham Sanjay and Vibhu Shukla. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vibhu Shukla and I am from BVD and ITM and Electrical Engineering branch. I am here for the presentation of my project Arduino based solar charge controller and monitoring through wireless system. So as my friends has already talked about the various aspects like the introduction, what are the technology used and what are the simulations done, what are the software used, what is the working and features and many other things. So I am here for talking about the advantages of the project. What are the advantages of our project? So since the solar charge controller is present between the panels, the photovoltaic panels and the battery, so it is connected between the photovoltaic panels and the battery. So it will control the flow of charge from the photovoltaic panels to the battery and reverse also, which takes place during the night time when the panels temperature goes down drastically. So The advantages of our projects are like it will prevent the overcharging of the battery, it will prevent the over discharging of the battery, and with the help of the wireless monitoring system we can monitor the status of the battery, like the percentage charge, the leakage, and many other parameters through the wirelessly, like remotely on our phones or laptop or any other device. We can also monitor that through the LCD which is present on the solar charge controller. So further we will talk about what are the problems with the existing technologies. So the problem with the existing technologies are like with the absence of the controller, battery level cannot be monitored, and other problems are like frequent overcharging occurs, which results in possible loss of electrolyte, excessive gassing, and plate damage. And due to overcharging, lifespan of the batteries are getting shorter. So here we will conclude. I will conclude the project presentation, and so in the end we can conclude that by using this technology we can monitor the current voltage and health of the solar battery with the help of Arduino microcontroller. And with the help of the wireless technology, we can monitor the status of the battery on our devices like mobile phones, laptop, from anywhere remotely through your laptop, mobile phone. Okay. And so yeah, this is all about our presentation of the project. And in the last, I also want to say that we have published a paper, a research paper. On our project, which in very renowned journal, which is IJMT, that is International Journal of Management Technology and Engineering. Thank you very much.